Juice up your marriage, a blessing.
Hi, welcome to Marital Workshop with Blessing. This is the place where you get to juice up your marriage with blessing. My sister, you deserve a blissful marriage. That is why you need to follow me, stick with me, and do practically everything I ask you to do on this platform. With me by your side, your marriage will be sweet, happy, and juicy. You don't have to leave your husband. You don't have to quit your marriage. All you need to do is stick with me. Let's build your marriage together on Marital Workshop with Blessing. And today, I will be teaching you how to move your vagina from mommy of 3, 4, or 5 to sweet 16. Sweet 16, tight vagina. Yeah, I've been to several marriage seminars where they teach you be submissive to your husband, be loyal to your husband, treat your husband well, be respectful. Yeah, those things are important. And after doing all of these things, you still find out that your husband is still cheating on you. And you'll be like, what's happening? And the truth is, I know that some men are not satisfied. Some men are just polygamous in nature. No matter what you do, they still want to go outside, they still want to taste other vagina. But, my sister, you need to know that this is vaginal war. Yeah, I tell you, this is vaginal war. The best vagina wins. Make sure your vagina is the best. Win your husband back. You see your husband is cheating, and maybe your vagina is the cause. You need to win him back. So that is why I need to teach you this method of how to take your vagina from that mommy of 5. I know you have 5 kids, you have 3 kids, and you know, so you don't have to rely, just stay like that. After all, I have 3 kids already, so what is he looking for? If he can take my vagina the way it is, then let him go. No, that is wrong. He is your man. You need to satisfy him anyhow. And you need to know that every part of our body needs care. If you leave your body, if you leave your skin, and just like that, with time, just find that you have pigment, you have different things all over your body. If you leave your mouth unwashed, when you wake up in the morning, you refuse to brush your teeth. With time, mouth odor, your teeth starts to decay and all of that. So the same thing applies to the vagina. If after giving birth to your kids, to 2, 3, 1, even 1 child, 2 kids, 3 kids, and you left a vagina like that, it's not healthy for you. So you need to take care of vagina because that is your headquarters. Now let's go straight into it. How to take care of vagina from a mommy of 5 to sweet 16, tight vagina. So this is warm water. Now what you do is, before taking your bath, you need to, this is alum, so all you need to do is soak the alum into the warm water. So this is the warm water, so this is the alum, so just dissolve the alum. Or you can even leave the alum in the water before taking your bath, then just dissolve the alum like this, and make sure the alum is well dissolved. Finish just one of this alum. You can finish everything. Just dissolve everything. Make sure it's finished. Then after dissolving the alum into the warm water, remember it's warm water. So dissolve the alum into the warm water. Now how would you know the alum is well dissolved? Now when you touch the water becomes, is it draggy now? I don't know if it's draggy or sticky, I don't know. But you feel it in your hand, how your hand begins to feel. Now, so after that, when you're done with the alum, then just add 1 spoonful. So this is 1 spoonful of salt into the water and dissolve, stir. Now, do not add more than 1 spoonful of salt. Please do not get your vagina burnt. Don't tell me I taught you, so you have your vagina burnt because of that. So just 1 spoonful is okay. No more than 1 spoonful of salt. Okay, so that's all. Then after, when you're done taking your bath, now just take the warm water, the alum warm water with salt, take it to the bathroom and just use it to wash your vagina. Wash it very well. Wash your vagina very well. Just wash it. Wash it. Wash it. Make sure you dip your hand into the vagina and wash it. Wash it very well. Now when you wash it, now do this for, you can do this for like twice a week or 3 times a week. But no, do not overdo it. If you do this, I tell you, your husband will enjoy your vagina again. Now, when last did you steam the vagina? When last did you steam your vagina? What do I mean by steaming your vagina? Maybe we just boil hot water, just put it in a bucket and sit on it. When last did you do that? It's very important. When you do that, it makes the vagina tight. It makes the vagina, it kills bacteria. In fact, it helps kill the bacteria that cause vaginal infection or whatever. It helps to kill it. So maybe once in a week, just steam your vagina. So when you do steam your vagina, you can just add alum. Just put alum into, this time it's hot water. When the water is well boiled, 100 degree, well boiled. Then put alum, just 1 alum into the water. Then add salt to it. Remember that salt is very beneficial. So just add salt into the water and sit on it. You can sit on it for 20 minutes. You just sit on the bowl. Do not sit on the water because the water is very hot. The vapor from the water, gets to heat your vagina and helps it to come back, helps it to be tight. So that's the 2 methods you can use. Once in a while, you can also use methylated spirit to clean the surface of your vagina, the labia. So just get a cotton wool and just add methylated spirit to it and just use it to clean the surface of your vagina. Clean it. The outer part of your vagina, just clean it. Clean it very well. But guess what? It's very peppery. The first time you try it, you will scream. We're going to scream, but just do it over and over and over. You just feel this your vagina becomes clean, your vagina becomes so sweet. Do this and thank me. Please do not forget to put the comment on this video and also share. Let it get to the woman, let the other women watch it. Please share the video, and please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe.
Juice up your marriage, a blessing.